got a pack of tarot cards. We thought it would be really cute to basically give each person, and you'll see like on each plate, they've got one, and when they flip it over, that will be their vibe for the night. They get to keep it. It's really pretty. We're also going to put a fortune cookie on top of their little tarot card. It's like a fun way to get the party started, I feel like. That's too big, but some of, like, look, there we go. Like, and it'll illuminate it.
That'd be cool, but I mean, why wouldn't you go up to the middle one?
But look, you see that thing? This.
No, it doesn't fit really good.
Yeah, but the other one does, because it's smaller if you come look.
Your balloons?
We got tiger balloons, because I was born year of the tiger. I want to put them up there. Tyler's about to put up the birds, and we established that the birds will go along that right there. He's gonna do it with fishing wire. I'm gonna be working on the florals. I feel like this is a good hack. Basically, I go and I buy a plant that I like, that I know I wanna keep, or I buy multiple plants. I get flowers like tropicals like you see here, and then I stick them in these, and then I stick that in the plant in the dirt. And if you get the plant that kind of covers the pot, you don't see it anyway. So right there, that's your centerpiece.
As if I could tie them off up there.
That's a good solution.
Made a little bird. And then I just punch a hole. Some wire through it.
All right, before I head to dinner, I want to quickly go over basically everything Tyler and I did to set up for my birthday that we're having here at our building. So, Tyler constructed these origami birds. As you can see, strung them along this little beam. It added such pretty interest. Like at first we really didn't know where to put them. And if I'm out of breath, it's because I just walked up a lot of stairs. Anyways, it really added like interest to this room because as you can see, it's kind of like super open, high ceilings. These beautiful things hanging from that chandelier. I got 3 packs of these. I'll pop down the prices for everything. Basically, all in all, we did this party for under, I'd say like maybe under 600, which is really good because it's seating 18 people. We got some fun candles from Amazon. I'll link those below. We're making a blood orange sake punch. So I got all of this stuff at Total Wine. This lychee cordial, and then a massive bottle of sake. This is what is going to make the drinks super sparkly. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at this, what a fun idea. I added just a bunch of eucalyptus. It smells nice, it's like a little runner. Pops of flowers, but we made this the full centerpiece. Hanging carnations that I made myself. I can try to find a video. It's super simple if you just Google it. We've got some fun balloons for the year of the tiger. So I'm obsessed with this box that the Trader Joe's boy gave me for all the wine. So is Bilbo. He's obsessed with everything. I got this natural wine, so we're gonna stick them in there. I thought that would be fun and cute.
Happy birthday, Lindy. I love you so much. I'm so happy to spend another birthday with you, and I wish you many more to come.
Happy birthday, Lindy. Beautiful, beautiful friend. I love you, babe.
Happy birthday, Lindy.
See yourself? Happy birthday, Lindy. Thank you. Feliz cumpleaños, mi hermana. I love you. Oh my God, I'm wearing my glasses still.
Happy birthday, babe.
What are you doing?
Happy birthday. My favorite Libra.
Hello. I keep
I love you, Lindy.
That's cool.
Hey, talk to me.
This is so me.
What is it?
I can't tell you, right?
My vibe is
Is that what you're saying?
2 small jumps are sometimes better than 1 big leap.
Mine.
Where is it?
Y'all are playing. They're playing trixies on me. Ooh, the tower. Do you know what this means?
No.
Great. The tower. I'm the temperance. The devil.
Now we know without knowing.
Maybe you have 2.
The lovers.
Oh, I love that. What are you, Darian?
I don't know, man. Let me see. The chariots? Yes.
We see. Ooh, the Emperor.
The Emperor. Barren mountain, a sign of sterility, of regulation, and
What's this mean?
unyielding power.
So I have power.
Symbolize
The time is right to make new friends.
a